Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Brulee cream. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 5 large egg yolks, which are crucial for that rich, creamy texture. We'll also use 2 cups of heavy cream and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar to sweeten our custard. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for a lovely aroma and a tiny pinch of salt to balance the flavors. Finally, have some extra granulated sugar on hand for the signature caramelized topping. Now let's create that luscious custard base. Begin by gently warming 2 cups of heavy cream in a saucepan over medium heat until it's just simmering, but not boiling. In a separate bowl, whisk your 5 egg yolks with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar until the mixture becomes light and creamy. Then, slowly pour the warm cream into the egg mixture, whisking constantly to temper the eggs and prevent them from cooking. Finish by stirring in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt. With your custard ready, it's time for baking. Carefully pour the mixture into 4 to 6 individual ramekins, ensuring they are filled evenly. Place these ramekins into a larger baking dish, then add hot water to the dish, creating a water bath that comes about halfway up the sides of the ramekins. Bake in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. Once baked, let them cool. Then chill them in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight for the best texture. The grand finale is the iconic caramelized topping. Just before serving, sprinkle 1 to 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar evenly over the surface of each chilled custard. Now, grab your kitchen torch and, moving it constantly, melt and caramelize the sugar until it turns a beautiful golden brown and forms a crisp shell. Be quick and even to prevent burning. Serve these delightful crème brûlées immediately to savor the wonderful contrast of the warm, crunchy topping against the cool, creamy custard. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.